I'm Michael Hummel.
I'm Chris Hummel.
I'm Trey Nottingham.
And
this
this
is
is
Supercar Driven.
Driven. Welcome to our channel. Yeah, here comes Chris. Here comes Chris. Here comes Supercar Driven 1. Oh, no. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Love the sound. He's going to hit the sound here again. That must have been Trey's having a respectable showing behind us. Yeah, Trey's staying right with us. Of course, we're all going the speed limit, so that makes it easier for him. That's my favorite part is corners. This car corners. Oh man, it's such a dream. Just it hugs the road and you can feel it. You know, you can just feel it grabbing the road.
Crazy, huh? Hey, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Hey. Congratulations. It looks nice.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Trey. This is Mr. McLaren, and this is Chris Hummel. And we are with Supercar Driven. Today, we are at Zadart Exotic Car Minerals. Mr. McLaren, out of all these cars here, what do you find your favorite?
I gotta go with my 650S.
Tell me about it.
650S Spider. I love convertibles, but this is my favorite because it's my very first supercar, and so I think it'll always be my favorite.
Awesome, awesome. Chris, what is your favorite car?
Right now, it has to be the MP4 12C right here behind you.
Tell me about this car.
It's 2012. It's custom done by Daily Driven Exotics. We just got it shipped in from Canada. It has about 800 horsepower, custom exhaust, custom wheels, the whole package.
Awesome, awesome. My favorite car is the Aventador, Lamborghini. You said this is your personal favorite. This is your car, correct?
Yes.
All right, tell me about the Batman theme you got going on here.
Oh, took it out to my very first car show, and before I even got out of the car, kids come running up to it going, Mom, look, the Batmobile, the Batmobile. And I heard that over and over and over, so I said, okay, I'll roll with it. It's the Batmobile.
You know what? It is Batmobile-esque.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it. So I put a little Batman on there, and there you go.
Wow, very aggressive. And this wing, is this aftermarket wing?
It is.
Wow.
Yep. One of my favorite things about this is when you hit the brakes and look in the rearview mirror, this thing just stands up.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's awesome. That's awesome. And I see you got a convertible as well.
Yep. Love a convertible.
This is a nice looking car. All right. And this one over here, this is the owner, Chris Hummel. Chris,
What's up?
tell me about this car.
This is a 2012 MP4 12C, custom done by Daily Driven Exotics. Has about 800 horsepower right now after the tune and the custom exhaust kit.
Wow.
Aftermarket wing, carbon fiber everywhere, all on the inside, all on the outside.
So rigid, you know what the horsepower was rigid before the tune?
It's about 600,
And the tune knocked up to what?
right around 800.
This exhaust, this is crazy. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so this is an exhaust kit done by FI Exhaust. About $15,000 price tag for this
Wow.
upgrade, and the exhaust will shoot flames.
Oh, that's sick. Marshmallow time.
Yeah.
And what about this wing?
Aftermarket, all carbon fiber.
You got some personal touches in this car, I see.
Oh yeah.
Tell me about the wrap.
The wrap was done by MI Customs, and they went with just like a two-tone 3 colors. Got like the little Oreo theme on the door, like the matte gray, blacked out the roof.
Like a track car.
Yeah.
Yes. It does have that feel to it. All right. And then here's my personal favorite, the Lamborghini Aventador. 72 horsepower again. These cars are classics. Anybody as a kid had one of these. Got that bumblebee feel to it, black and yellow. As you can see, this car speaks for itself. The lines, it looks powerful. She looks like she's doing 100 standing still. But again, it's an Aventador. What else do I need to say?
This is my daily driver. Really like this car for a whole lot of reasons. One of the features I like the best about it is the updates will just update automatically through the computer system. And I really like the, can't think of what it's called now. For God's sakes. What's the thing we do out in the freeway?
Autopilot?
Yeah, thank you. I really like the autopilot feature. I'm going to have Chris Hummel talk about this.
Chris, step in here, Chris.
Yeah, what's up?
What model is this car?
This is the Tesla Model 3 Performance.
Performance. Okay, what does performance mean?
So the regular Model 3s just have single motors and rear-wheel drive.
Okay.
These Performance package comes with 2 motors and all-wheel drive.
So with 2 motors, does that mean it's faster?
Oh yeah, way faster and grips, no tire spin at all. The tires hook every time.
How much faster is this than the regular one?
This one will go 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds flat. The
Wow.
other one's about 4 seconds, so about a second faster.
Wow. Tell me some benefits of this car.
You never have to get gas again. You just plug it in right at your house, charges right up. It has autopilot, like he was talking about. You get out on the freeway, you turn autopilot on, and you can relax. You don't have to do anything. The car will drive itself 100% for you.
Now, will it drive itself around town too, or just on the freeway?
The new update just came out recently to where it's fully autonomous now all around the city. It'll recognize all the stoplights, stop signs, and it'll drive everywhere for you.
So you tell me this car will recognize a stoplight and will stop and go?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, and one of our favorite features is that you can summon it. This is hilarious at the
now when you
grocery
say
store.
summon, explain it to me.
Yeah. So the car will be parked over in the parking lot. You can come out of the grocery store and you hit summon on your phone.
Okay.
It'll back up. It'll come and pick you up. And watching people's reactions. There's nobody in the car.
So the car will start up by itself
Yep.
with no one in it.
Yep.
Back up by itself.
Yep.
Read its total environment.
Yep.
How does it find its way to you?
It just knows where you are because you're holding the cell phone. Anybody walks in front of it or car pulls in front of it, it'll stop. Very first time we did it, it's backing up and some guy's waiting to take the parking spot, but the car picked him up sitting there waiting, and he's throwing his hands up and waiting for the car, and then he realized there's nobody in it. He was yelling at the car. It's funny.
That's something we gotta see.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for that.
Yeah, we'll do a video shoot on that because it's hilarious.
Now here at the Dart, what they have to offer on the exotic rentals is this Rolls Royce, as well as the Mercedes G-Wagon. You know what? Let's take a look inside this Rolls Royce.
Here.
Mr. McLaren, what do you think about this?
Yeah, that could be another daily driver.
You think?
That'd be a good day.
So this is a car that the Dart has offered for rental. This is a 2019 Rolls Royce. I gotta admit, this is very nice. I wouldn't mind renting this myself. It has a pearl wrap on it. Accentuated by black. Very nice. And I believe this car runs about $120,000. But if you want luxury for off-roading, you cannot, pardon none, this is it. This is definitely a status car. Again, this is a Dart Exotic Car Rentals, and you can rent one of these cars from them.